got a haircut right there. You know it's Atlanta, man. It's gonna have a little haircut. Cybertruck. Push it off the GC. It be looking hard, dude. These B-locks, there is a haircut on B-locks. Let that be a wine, dude. Hey, talking about. Yeah. Shit. I don't think the camera can see that. Hold on, my phone at. You little motherfuckers bald, cause they bald. Oh, they about to race, so wait a minute. You finna go hit.
You gotta be quicker than that.
3, 2, 1, go! Just go! Honk it!
Absolute waste of time. So fucking boring.
Yeah, they be jailbird. Wait, what the fuck? That ain't jailbird, bitch. That's a demon.
But no, he had to purchase that.
Cause that's a demon.
This a demon. That's an intake, and that's a supercharger.
That's a demon.
How much is the horsepower you think?
That's a fucking demon.
That's like 1,000 or
Run, nigga, run!
roads smell like that.
Well, it's like weed, dude. Smell like squid. Smell like nothing but weed, man.
Are the bikers coming?
They play raw wave and shit. What?
Are the bikers coming this way? I want to see the bikes.
They playing raw wave,
They
dude.
coming, they coming.
They're coming this way. The bikes are coming. That's a big ass Ferris wheel. That's the biker boys. 12 o'clock boys. Oh wait, that's fire. I've never seen one of those in real life.
What's going on, though, man?
I know the shit's go faster than that one. Is she working? Yes, she is. It's the boy.
Grab it.
Say it louder.
Oh, boy!
That stuff is.
Yeah!
This shit beautiful.
Also good, that'd be hard.
All these fucking traffic.
First one right there.
Huh?
First one right there.
Who's seeing the fucking Ferris wheel?
You right there.
Oh, you right now.
Grab it. Grab it.
He telling you to. He telling you to.
It's turning. It's turning now. It's
Tell her run. Tell her run right there.
Oh, he not coming.
Are you not coming?
Oh, he said fuck no.
Don't get run over. Why did the chicken Why did the chicken cross the road?
Ooh.
God. God. God, you a dumbass. What the heck y'all do? This nigga over here struggling and shit.
Oh, bro, I had to.
Oh. that shit was funny. I went down there. On the block.
No, not me.
Rabbit! Shit. If I don't get that 10 minutes, nigga, I'm putting a black shit on that bitch.
Watch where you walking, nigga. Hey, what you say, nigga?
Watch closely. You're about to experience a nigga moment. Webster defines the nigga moment as a moment when ignorance overwhelms the mind of an otherwise logical Negro male.
Put us in the same category.
Nigga got you.
Hair on his ass.
What
He's still talking. Goddamn.
He called you a hairless ass.
He get a goatee with no fucking hair on his face. The fuck you getting a goatee?
I
for?
cut that shit
Stop
off.
wasting your fucking money, nigga.
Talking about all that shit on the side of your cheek.
Stop wasting all
Cut
your
that shit
fucking
off.
money, man.
You just mad you wrote shit on your neck.
Hey, but his shit connect.
My shit connect. This shit
Connect to what? His chest?
This shit don't connect.
That shit go from neck to chest.
His shit don't connect.
Nigga got more hair on his chest than through his top lip.
Niggas get a little bit of chin hair and think they the shit.
Nigga, I cut my hair off.
You don't have that to cut, bitch.
I do have shit to cut. I don't know why she fucking laughing. She got more hair on her top lip than her.
Cut my shit, nigga. Cut my shit.
What the fuck? We can't put the car.
Hey, shit, you can hate on me for it. What the fuck?
I ain't hating, nigga. I'm telling the truth. You hurt.
He hate. Bitch, that shit ain't hurt me.
Obviously, you calling it hating. I ain't. I'm just saying.
Nah, my shit connect. You're gonna leave it at that.
Nigga, you
We just gonna leave it at that.
Your shit is on your neck.
We just gonna leave it at that.
Your shit connect to the back of your head.
I'm not arguing with you.
Oh, y'all making my
arguing, nigga.
stomach
I'm telling the
hurt.
truth.
You're telling no truth. He keeps pooping.
Hey, break it up, break it up.
Bro, you niggas are stupid,
It's
girl.
this nigga, girl. Like, I don't know why he hating on me, though. Like, he telling the truth. I just
You niggas is fucking stupid.
Like, how the fuck you hate on me for? I should be laughing you hate on rape or something. You the one with the fancy car and shit.
What did I do? Don't bring me in
I'm
this
born.
shit.
Hey, of course I'm
You
gonna hate
got
on
a
this
fancy
nigga.
car and shit and money on
Nigga, fancy car. This a nigga car. This ain't fancy.
Where's this shit?
What?
You can't hate on me,
This
nigga.
ain't luxury. It's a nigga.
I'm just saying.
You talking about it's a nigga.
I'm just saying.
Oh my god,
Y'all
man.
my stomach.
Y'all niggas stupid.
It's him, cuz.
Her ass in a Ford Fiesta.
You talking about a Ford Fiesta with
Yep.
the crazy.
I mean, you do got 3 dollars.
Tell you, bro, the world just know better, bro. I'm telling you, go out there, you go like, what the fuck?
I'm playing on it.
I swear to God, watch me go out there. Go to the Saints game. Watch. What the fuck? Big ass holes in the road and shit. You know, like the spots where we made like U-turns and shit. They got traffic lights there.
They know what's up with me, they know I bring them racks out.